Alright guys, this car, Rodent has destroyed the car wiring.
Yeah, we got a problem here. Rats eating all the injector looms and some of the other wirings as well all around the engine. So what I'm gonna do now is remove all the wirings and solder back everything. So hopefully it will work out. If not, then we have to change the whole wiring. So most likely it's gonna work. So you see all the wiring, so injector wiring, sockets, everything. Look right here, so all that. Most of the time you have to change the whole loom from ECU to all around the engine.
Is the car starting?
Oh no, the car came by recovery, so hopefully it will be fixed end of the day. So yep, we're almost there.
How many hours do you think you have this?
Roughly I would say 3 to 4 hours, but I'm trying to finish it early as quickly as possible. So
thank you. We'll get back to you when the car is ready.
Yep.
Hello guys.
So the job is done before what I was expecting. So literally it took me 2 hours to finish it. So yeah, it's almost done. Everything is done. Just need to sort out the lines and put it back in places. And as you see, the car engine is running perfectly. So yeah.